Welcome. In front of me is a TCL 305i, and today I will show you how we can hard reset this phone through settings. So to get started, we're gonna open up our settings. So I am gonna first close mine. Whoops. Please have it open. There we go. So let's open up our settings. From here, scroll all the way down. There we go. Select System, Reset, and then select Factory Data Reset. This will give you a list of data that will be removed by this process. So if you have anything from this list that you'd like to preserve, make a backup copy of it before you begin. Now, assuming you have already created a backup, or maybe you just don't want to, you can proceed further by selecting Reset Phone, and then Reset Phone once more, and this will now begin the factory data reset of your device. Now, this process will take a couple minutes to finish up, so just be patient. Once it's completed, we will then be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And as you can see, the process is now finished and you can set up your device however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.